3 into logarithm of y to base k divided by log z to base k. Again 5 into logarithm of z to base k divided by logarithm of x to base k. Cancel the terms which gets cancelled. You can use this formula log m plus log n plus log p can also be written as logarithm of m into n into p. If put x is equal to logarithm of 1 is 0 plus logarithm of x is 1 plus 1 is log 2. You will get this answer direct. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous classes, we have discussed regarding the laws of logarithms and few problems based on logarithms. Today also in this session, I will take few more problems based on laws of logarithms. Now let us come to the first problem. These type of problems are very important for the point of examination. Now what is to prove? Prove that logarithm of x square to base y into logarithm of y cube to base z into logarithm of x to the power of 5 to base x is equal to 30. This is very simple problem. Now what is to prove? Log of x square, log of y cube, log of z cube to base y, z and x is equal to 30. Now let us take LHS. I write the LHS. LHS is logarithm of x square to base y into logarithm of y cube to base z into logarithm of z to the power of 5 to base x. Now, just we know this formula, logarithm of m to the power of n to base a is equal to n log m to base a. Just use first this formula. Here x to the n is 2, you can write 2 log x to base y into, here the power of y is 3, n is 3, 3 log y to base z into, here the value of n is 5, 5 log z to base x. Okay, using this law. Again, using base change rule, let us change the base to k. Let us change the base to k. Using base change rule, we can write 2 into log x to base k divided by logarithm of y to base k into 3 as it is logarithm of y to base k divided by logarithm of z to base k into logarithm 5 as it is logarithm of z to base k divided by logarithm of x to base k. This is using base change rule. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. So what happens here? See, log y to base c, log y to base c, log z cancel, log x to base x gets cancelled. What is left over? So here this is equal to, I'll write here, what is left over? 2 into, here it is 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 5. So what is this equal to? 5 3s are 15, 15 into 2 is 30, which is the required RHS. That's it. The answer is 30. This is how we are going to get the answer for this. RHS is 30. Very simple. Just apply log m to the power of n is n log m. So that is n is 2 log x to base y, 3 log y to base z, 5 log z to base x. Now using the base change rule, you can change the base to k, log x to base k, log y to base k, 3 into logarithm of y to base k divided by log z to base k, again 5 into logarithm of z to base k divided by logarithm of x to base k. Cancel the terms which gets cancelled, log y, log x, log z gets cancelled. Here it is 2 into 3 into 5, 5 3s are 15 into 2 is 30, which is the required answer. That is the required RHS. Hope you followed. Okay, now let us come to the next problem. What is the next problem? Prove that 1 over log 4 to base 2 plus 1 over log 4 to base 8 plus 1 over log 4 to base 16 is equal to 4. Now let us take LHS. This is also a very important problem. LHS 1 over logarithm of 4 to base 2 plus 1 over logarithm of 4 to base 8 plus 1 over logarithm of 4 to base 16. Now using base change rule, we know the rule, that is in base change rule, logarithm of n to base a is equal to 1 over log a to base n. Logarithm of n to base a is also equal to 1 over log a to base n, or 1 over log a to base n is also equal to log n to base a. Now using the same rule, 1 over log 4 to base 2 can also be written as log 2 to base 4, plus this is logarithm of 8 to base 4, plus this is logarithm of 16 to base 4. See, if you observe carefully, all the bases are same. Since you know what is the formula for logarithm of m plus logarithm of n plus logarithm of p, then this can be written as logarithm of m into n into p. Using this concept, log m into n into p is equal to log m plus log n plus log p. If you observe carefully, this can be written as logarithm of base is 4 as it is, m into n into p is nothing but 2 into 8 into 16. Logarithm of 2 into 8 into 16, that is nothing but 16 into 16 is 256. So I will write here, that's equal to logarithm of base is 4, 2 into 8 into 16. This is logarithm of 256 to base 4. Now 256 can also be written as, so since we know 256 is also equal to 4 to the power of 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 into 4 is 256. So therefore this can be written as logarithm of 256 is nothing but 4 to the power of 4 to base 4. Again using this logarithm of m to the power of n to base a is equal to n log m to base a. This can be written as 4 into log 4 to base 4. Since this is equal, you know, logarithm of any number to same base is 1, log a to base a is equal to 1. Log 4 to base 4 is equal to 1. So 4 into 1 is equal to 4, which is the required RHS. This is the answer. That's it. Okay. See, this is the answer. Using base change rule, 1 over log a to base n can also be written as logarithm of n to base a. So this is logarithm of 2 to base 4, this is logarithm of base 4, and logarithm of 16 to base 4. Since the bases are same, you can use this formula, log m plus log n plus log p can also be written as logarithm of m into n into p. So base is same, 2 into 8 into 16, 2 into 8 into 16 is nothing but 256, logarithm of 256 to base 4. Now let us write 256 as 4 to the power of 4. So we know 256 is 4 to the power of 4. Again using log m to the power of n is n log m. This is 4 log 4 to base e. Again since log a to base a is equal to 1. So logarithm of 4 to base 4 is equal to 1. 1 into 4 is equal to 4, which is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. These are very simple problems for 3 marks. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. So what is to prove? Now if to prove that logarithm of 8 to base 4, logarithm of 32 to base 2 and logarithm of 4 to base 16 is equal to 15 by 4. So what is the answer we want to get? 15 by 4 after simplification. Let us take LHS. LHS, logarithm of 8 to base 4 into logarithm of 32 to base 2 into logarithm of 4 to base 16. Now using base change rule, changing the base to k. Using base change rule, you know what is the formula for base change rule? Log n to base a is also equal to log n to base k divided by logarithm of a to base k. Changing the base to k, we can write log 8 to base k divided by logarithm of 4 to base k into logarithm of 32 to base k divided by logarithm of 2 to base k into logarithm of 4 to base k divided by logarithm of 16 to base k. Even if you don't write the base, just log 8 by log 4 is into log 32 by log 2 into log 4 by log of 16. So again this can also be written as, here nothing will get cancelled. So we can write 8 as 2 cube and 32 as 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 and 4 as it is, then simplify, you'll get the answer. That's it. Now I'll go to the next page. This can be written as, this is equal to logarithm of 8 to base k divided by logarithm of 4 to base k into logarithm of 32 base k divided by logarithm of into log 4 to base k divided by logarithm of 16 to base k. Now this can be written as logarithm of 2 cube divided by logarithm of 4 as it is. This is logarithm of 2 to the power of 5 divided by log 2 to base k. 2 raised to 5 is 32, and this is same as it is logarithm of 4 divided by logarithm of 16 can also be written as 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16. Now using this law, since we know logarithm of m to the power of n is nothing but n log m to base c. This can be written as, using this law, n is 3 log 2 divided by logarithm of 4 into, this is 5 log 2 divided by, this is log 2 as it is, into, this is logarithm of 4 divided by 4 log 2. Just I writing the base k. Now cancel the term. See, log 4 gets cancelled. Again here one log 2 gets cancelled. Again this logarithm of 2 and logarithm of 2 gets cancelled. After cancelling the terms, write down what are the terms left here. It is 3 by 1 into, here it is 5 by 1 into 1 by 4. So 5 3s are 15. 15 divided by 4. So 15 by 4, which is the required RHS. That's it. See here, 5 3s are 15 by 4 1s are 4. So 15 by 4 is the required RHS. That's it. Okay, 15 by 4. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Just changing the base and cancel the terms which gets cancelled, you will get the answer. So if you write k or may not be, it is understood, it is base is same for all these values. Now let us come to the next problem. Solve if log x plus log of x plus 1 is equal to log 2. That is solve for x. Now if you observe carefully, this is of the form log m plus log n is equal to log 2. Now what is the given equation? Log of x plus log of x plus 1 is equal to log. So this can be written as log m plus n is log m into n. Log of x into x plus 1 is equal to log 2. So cancelling the log on both sides, x into x plus 1 is equal to 2. Multiply this. X into x is x square plus x is equal to 2, or x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Factorize this quadratic equation by any method. X square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 can also be written as x into x, 2 1s are 2. This is plus and minus. Plus into minus minus, plus 2x and minus x is equal to plus x. So the factors are x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So I can write here as x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1, or x is equal to minus 2. X cannot be negative. We can reject this. So therefore the value of x is equal to plus 1. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. So if you want to verify, you can verify. See, if put x is equal to logarithm of 1 is 0 plus logarithm of x is 1 plus 1 is log 2, you will get this answer direct. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Same type, log x to base 2 plus log x to base 4 is equal to 3. Here the bases are different. Now we have to convert to the same base. That's it. Now solve log x to base 2 plus log x to base 4 is equal to 3. Now the given equation can be written as, given equation is logarithm of x to base 2 plus logarithm of x to base 4 is equal to 3. Changing the base to using k, using base change rule, this can be written as logarithm of x divided by log 2 plus, this is logarithm of x divided by logarithm of 4 is equal to 3. Again this is same in the numerator, log x divided by log 2 plus log x divided by this 4 can be written as 2 square. Logarithm of 4 is logarithm of 2 square can also be written as 2 log 2. So this can be written as 2 log 2 is equal to 3. Now take LCM and simplify. What is the LCM? 2 log 2 is the LCM. 2 log 2 is the LCM. On the right hand side we have 3. 2 log 2 gets cancelled. 2 into log x is 2 log x plus here 2 log 2 gets cancelled. What is left in the numerator is log x. So just take LCM. 2 log 2 is the LCM. Log 2 gets cancelled. 2 into log x plus log x. 2 into log x plus log x is 3 log x. 3 times log x divided by 2 log 2 is equal to 3. Okay. Now this can also be written as 3 log x is equal to 3 into 2 log 2. Just multiply by log 2. 2 log 2. So 3 log x is equal to 3 to the 6 log 2. Right. So this can also be written as log x is equal to, if you divide by 3, log x is equal to 2 log 2. So our logarithm of x is equal to, we can also write like this, log x is equal to n log m is log m to the power of n. This is of the form n log m is log m to the power of n. So this can be written as log 2 square. Log of x is equal to log 2 square means log x is equal to logarithm of 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. That's it. This is how we are going to solve. Okay. Or if you want, you can solve like this also. Or here this is 3 log x divided by 2 log 2 is equal to 3. Just divide by 3. Then what you will get? Log x divided by 2 log 2 is equal to 1. Cross multiply it. If we cross multiply, log x is equal to 2 log 2, or we can also write this is logarithm of x is equal to logarithm of 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4. So log x is equal to log 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. This is another method. So anyway, you can solve in any method. Just cross multiply it. What you will get? 3 into 2. 3 to the 6 log 2. So again, if you divide by 2, divide by 3, log x is equal to 2 log 2. The same step you will get. So log of 2 to the power of 2 is 4. That is nothing but log and log gets cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 4 is the required answer. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem in like this or this. Any method you can follow for the simplification. Right. Now let us take next problem. If x is equal to log 9 to base 2, y is equal to log 7 to base 9, z is equal to log 4 to base 7, then show that x, y, z is equal to 2. Okay. Now let us take LHS. What is to prove x, y, z is equal to 2? Let us take LHS. LHS is x into y into z. Substitute the values. What is x? Logarithm of 9 to base 2 into logarithm of y. Y is 7 to base 9 into logarithm of 4 to base 7. So x is log 9, y is log 7, z is log 4 to base 7. This is base 9 and base 2. Now using the base change rule, apply base change rule for this. This can be written as logarithm of 9 divided by log 2 into logarithm of 7 divided by log 9 into logarithm of 4 divided by logarithm of 7. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. See here, 1 log 9, logarithm of 7 and logarithm of 7 gets cancelled. What is left in the numerator is log of 4 divided by, in the denominator we have logarithm of 2. Okay. So I will go to the next page. This is logarithm of 4 divided by logarithm of 2. So this logarithm of 4 can be written as 2 square divided by log 2. Again using this formula, since logarithm of m to the power of n to base a is n log m to base a, this can be written as 2 into log 2 divided by logarithm of 2. Logarithm of 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to 2, which is the required RHS. That's it. The answer is 2. So what is the conclusion? Therefore, x into y into z is equal to 2. That's it. Okay. That's very simple. Hope we followed. See here, I'll explain once again. Let us take the LHS. LHS x, y, z. What is x? What is y? What is z? Substitute the value of x, y, z and just apply base change rule. You will get the solution. X is log 9 to base 2. y is log 7 to base 9 and z is equal to log 4 to base 7. Changing the base to any constant. So logarithm of 9 by log 2, logarithm of 7 by log 9, logarithm of 4 by log 7. Cancel the terms which gets cancels. Log 7 gets cancelled. Logarithm of 9 and logarithm of 9 gets cancelled. What is left over in the numerator is log 7. In the denominator it is log 2. What is left in the numerator is log 4 by log 2. So logarithm of 4 divided by log 2. Now 4 can also be written as 2 square. Again using logarithmic formula, logarithm of m to the power of n is n log m to base a. Here n is 2, 2 log 2 divided by log 2. Log 2 and log 2 gets cancelled, that's equal to 2, which is the required answer. So therefore x into y into z is equal to 2. That's it. Okay. So these are few problems based on the properties, that is based on laws of logarithms. Okay. Hope you followed this. That's all regarding this session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next class. Thank you. Thank you very much.